multi-layer networks and back propagation. We were seeing okay, where I am. We are talking about multi-layer networks and back propagation. And back propagation. Right. In the previous class, we have seen how we could adjust the weights of output layer. This was our network, right? X1 and X2, H1, H2, Y1, Y2, B1, B2. What is this? X1, X2, the input features. Hidden layer H1, H2. Output Y1, Y2. This is bias B1, B2. In the problem, the values given are, what is the X1 value? What is the X1 value, Amma?
Point not five, sir.
Point not 5, X1 value.
Yes, sir.
So X1 is 0.05 and X2 is 0.1. So this is the value given in the problem, and this is 0.1. And the target value, the target Y1 was 0.01 and the target Y2 was 0.99. This is the given. Then we have assumed certain variables. We have assumed certain biases and weights. So, because net H1 is equal to W1, this is W1, we assumed it to be point, Chapandamma? What is W1?
0.15.
0.15 W1 0.15, W1 x1 plus W2 x2. W2 we assumed as 0.2 and plus B1. Oh, I don't know why. Okay. What was our B1?
0.35.
0.35. So net H1 is equal to W1 x1 plus W2 x2 plus B1. That is net H1. And what about net H2? W3 x1. What is W3? 0.25 and W4 x2, W3 x5, sorry, W3 x1, W4 x2. What is W4? We assumed it to be
0.3.
0.3. Then we calculated out H1 as a function of the sigmoid. Then again, from the H1 we calculated out H1. From the H2 we calculated out H2. So, and Y1, net Y1 is equal to W5 out H1. What is W5? 0.4 kada? 4 out H1 plus W6 out H2. What is W6? 0.45. Then plus B2. What is B2? 0.6. Then we have Y2, net Y2 is equal to W7 out H1, where W7 is equal to 0.5 plus W8 out H2, where W8 is assumed as 0.55 plus B2. So in the previous class, what we have done is we have calculated the total error, E total, when we compare the output value to the out Y1. From here we calculated out Y1 and from here we calculated out Y2. When we compare the out Y1 with the target Y1 and out Y2 with target Y2 and squaring them and half of that square function, we calculate the E total. Based on the E total, we have calculated the gradient with respect to del E total by dou E total by dou W5, dou E total by dou W6, dou E total by dou W7, dou E total by dou W8 we calculated, and we have from that gradient by using the formula Wi nu is equal to Wi plus learning rate just a minute. Third row. Fourth row. Fifth false. Sixth true. False. True. True. Ninth true. Tenth true. So we calculated this Wi nu as Wi into learning rate into delta Wi, where this delta Wi we calculated from del E total by dou E total by dou Wi. So in the previous class we have considered the case 1. What was the case 1? Case 1 was when the node was output node, that means y1 and y2, the output node. Now we have to adjust. So from the output node we could adjust W5, W6, W7, W8. That means these output nodes are y1 and y2. So from y1 and y2 we could find, or we could adjust W5, W6, W7, W8. But now to adjust W1, W2, W3, W4, we have to come back. We have to propagate the error into the hidden layer. Error has been propagated into y1. So based on that, we have adjusted these values. Now the second case is considering the hidden layer. So number 2, case 2, hidden layer. That means the neurons in the hidden layer are H1, and H2. These two are the hidden layer neurons. So now we want to adjust W1, W2, W3 and W4. So So let us consider W1. So in order to calculate the adjustment of W1, we have to calculate dou E total by dou W1. This we have to calculate. Is it clear? పిల్లలు
W న్యూ వాల్యూలో మైనస్ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్, WI మైనస్ నీటా W.
yeah. Sorry. Where is my eraser here? This is minus, sorry. Why minus? Why not plus?
So we have to minimum that.
Yeah, we have to minimize the error. We have to go in negative direction of the slope. Okay. Now we have to calculate dou E total by dou W1. So now, first of all, we should understand what is happening in a hidden node. What is happening in a hidden node? So what is happening in the hidden node here? And what is the input to it? What is the output to it? For example, if you take H1, if you take H1, to this, the input is net H1, and the output going out of it is out H1. Then, and this net H1 is calculated from W1, W2 and B1. Similarly, when it is H2, this is net H2, this is out H2. This is calculated from W3 X1 plus W4 X2 plus B1. That is net H1, net H2. From that, if you apply that to the sigmoid function, we could calculate out H2. So here you can, let me remind you that we calculated net H1 as B1 plus W1 X1 plus W2 X2, and net H2 as B1 plus W3 X1 plus W4 X2, and we calculated out H1 as the sigmoid function, which is also called logistic function, which is also called a squashing function, sigmoid of net H1. What is the formula for sigmoid? 1 by 1 plus to the 1 by 1 plus e to the power of minus x. So based on that, we calculated out H1. Similarly, we calculated out H2 as the sigmoid of net H2. This already we calculated in the previous classes. From there, we have calculated the error. Now we are back propagating the error. That means we are adjusting our assumptions based on the error resulted. మనం ఒక assumption తీసుకున్నాం. Based on that, we have calculated the error magnitude nu batti we are trying to adjust the weights. This is called back propagation. Now to calculate dou E total by dou W1, because dou E total is not direct function of dou W1, when we see this diagram, I can write that E total is a function of, చెప్పండి, is a function of out H1 ఈ లేయర్లో. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనకి ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది అంటే అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ లేయర్ వచ్చింది, అక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చింది, బట్ ఈ లేయర్ కన్సిడర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ అవుట్ H1 అండ్ అవుట్ H1 ఈజ్ అ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్, ఇది చెప్పాలి మీరు,
Net H1.
net H1. And net H1 is a function of,
W1.
yeah, W1 and W2 also. బట్ మనకి ఇక్కడున్న మన క్యాలిక్యులేషన్లో W1. So how do what we write here? We write here dou E total by dou W1 is equal to dou E total, చెప్పండి
Dou out H1.
dou out H1 into dou out H1 by
Dou net H1.
dou net H1 into dou net H1 by dou W1. This we called as, ఏం రూల్ అన్నాం దీన్ని, చైన్ రూల్. ఇది మన మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ రూల్ కాదు, ఇది క్యాలిక్యులస్ లో వచ్చేటువంటి రూల్. అది క్యాలిక్యులస్ లో వచ్చేటువంటి రూల్. Okay. Now let us calculate each term separately. Dou E total by dou out H1. We know that dou by dou out H1, E total is E1 plus E2, EY1 plus EY2, EY1 plus There were some power cut here. There is some power cut. Let me share my screen again. So, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So, dou dou EY1 by dou out H1 plus dou EY2 by dou out H1. Dou EY1 by dou out H1 plus dou EY2 by dou out H1. Now let us calculate dou EY1 by dou out H1. Dou out H1. Now, how did we get dou out? Now, this dou out H1, this is H1 node, this is out H1. This was fed with weights W5 and out H2 with weight W6 and bias B2. We calculated net Y1. From that, we calculated out Y1. That means EY1 is a function of చెప్పండి out Y1 and out Y1 is a function of net Y1. Net Y1 is a function of out H1. So, dou EY1 by dou out H1 dou EY1 by dou out H1 is calculated as dou EY1 by dou out Y1 and dou out Y1 ఏంటి ఇక్కడ నేను రాసిన పోయినాయా? ఇక్కడ ఏం రాశాను నేను? y1 is function of out y1. Out y1 is a function of
12, sir.
net y1, right? Net y1 is a function of out.
H1.
So dou e y1 by dou out y1. Next, dou out y1 will depend on dou net y1, and dou net y1 depends on dou out h1. Dou out h1. Now, what is dou e y1 by dou out y1? We already calculated, right? Pillalu, what is dou e y1 by dou out y1? ఒకసారి చూడండి, మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాము. dou e y1 by dou out y1. See the yesterday's problem? Dou e y1 by dou out y1.
0.74
Hmm.
1315.
Yeah. 0.741315 into dou out y1 by dou net y1.
0.18
684 into what is dou net y1 by dou out h1? Dou net y1 by dou out h1, because no net y1 is equal to b2 plus w5 out h1 plus w6 out h2. That is how we calculated out net y1 from out h1 and h2. Now when you derive with respect to h1, this is a constant, this is a constant, this is a constant. Dou out h1 by dou out h1 is equal to 1, that is equal to w5. What is w5 actual value?
0.4.
value కాదు, old value anta. What is w5?
0.4.
0.4. Here we have seen w5 is equal to 0.4. So 0.4 into 0.4. Now please tell me this value.
0.0554.
0.055. Let me check it out with my calculation. Yeah, 0.055403. Now that is the first term is over. What about the next term? Del Ey by dou out H1 వచ్చేసింది. Next dou out H1 వచ్చేసింది. Now we have to calculate dou Ey2. Dou Ey2 by dou out H1. We have to calculate. ఇప్పుడు ఈ టర్మ్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం మనం ఇక్కడ. ఏది? ఇది క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అయింది ఇట్లా. Now we have to calculate dou Ey2 by dou out H1. మళ్ళీ చైన్ రూల్ చెప్తారా దీనికి? సేమ్ చైన్ రూల్ ఇక్కడ లాగానే. డో అవుట్ డో Ey1 or dou Ey2, dou Ey2 is a function of, చెప్పండి, dou out y2. Dou out y2 is a function of, ఇది చెప్పాలి మీరు. అవుట్ y2 దేంట్లోంచి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం?
Dou net y2.
Dou net y2 into dou net y2 is calculated from out H1. This we have to understand. Again, this is also chain rule. Now coming, first let us calculate the first term. Dou by dou out y2 of Ey2. మనకి ఇక్కడ అంటే Ey1 by dou out y1 we could calculate it dou Ey1 by dou out H1, dou out y1 we calculated it already because we have calculated it earlier. Dou Ey1 by dou out y1 we have calculated. Dou Ey2 by dou out y2 calculate చేసామా? What is Ey2 formula? చేయలేదులేండి. What is Ey2? What is the error? Tell me. Error formula ఏంటమ్మా?
Of target y2 minus
Target y2, that means let us say y2 అని అనుకుందాం. టార్గెట్ అని ఏం రాస్తాం ఊరికే? మైనస్
out y2
out y2
whole square.
Whole square. Again the same derivative, x square derivative is 2x kada. So 2 by 2 into y2 minus out y2 into derivative of this. Y2 is a constant. Dou out y2 by dou out y2 is 1, but ikkada minus undi, so let us keep the minus. This is 2 by 2 is 1. What is y2? What is the target y2?
0.99.
What is out y2? What is out y2?
0.772797.
Good. Into -1. What is the value? Tell me, please.
Minus 0.217203.
Yeah, minus 0.217203. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ కూడా నేనే తీసుకుంటాను, సార్ని అడిగాను, ఎందుకంటే మన ప్రాబ్లం మళ్ళీ మధ్యలో ఆగిపోతే కష్టమవుతుంది. సో 12 to 1 కూడా నేనే తీసుకుంటాను. సో డోంట్ వర్రీ అబౌట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. సో ఒక టర్మ్ అయిపోయింది. నాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ టర్మ్. డో అవుట్ y2 by
Dou net y2.
dou out y2 by dou net y2. What is the relation between out and net? What is the relation between out and net? Out y2 is sigmoid function of net y2.
Y2, sir.
Net y2. And we know that derivative of sigmoid function is sigma into 1 minus sigma. We have derived it in the previous class. So out y2 into 1 minus out y2. So equal to, what is out y2? What is out y2? 0.772797 into 1 minus 0.772797. Tell me the value, please.
Zero point 175581.
0.175582 వచ్చింది నాకు. Okay. This is the second term. What is the third term? Dou net y2 by dou out h1. Dou net y2 by dou out h1. This is equal to dou by dou out h1 dou by dou out h1 into of, what is net y2? Net y2 is w5 out h1 plus w6 w6 w7 w7 out h1 plus w8 out h2 plus b2. This is net y2. Now when you differentiate with respect to out h1, this is a constant, this is a constant. ఇక మిగిలింది w7 out h1. Dou out h1 by dou out h1 is equal to 1. So this is equal to w7. What is w7? What is W7?
0.5.
0.5. Now calculate dou E Y2 by dou out H1. Dou E Y2 by dou out H1. We have taken it as, because dou E Y2 is a function of dou out Y1 and dou out Y1 is a function of net Y1 and dou net Y1 is a function of dou out H1. Dou net Y2, sorry. Dou it is out Y2, dou out Y2, dou net Y2, dou net Y2 by dou out H1. So we calculated these values. Dou E Y2 by dou out Y2 is entamma? What is the value we got? Dou E Y2 by dou out Y2. చెప్పండి.
Minus 0.217203.
Yeah, minus 0.217203 into dou out Y2 by dou net Y2 0.175582 పైనే ఉంది into dou net Y2 by dou out H1 is W7, that is equal to 0.5. So what is the value?
Minus 0.0190.
Minus 0.019068. Now what is dou E 0.019068 వచ్చేసింది. మనం ఎక్కడి వరకు వచ్చాం ఇప్పుడు? ఎక్కడి వరకు వచ్చాం? మన టార్గెట్ ఏంటి? We want to calculate dou E total by dou W1. ఈ టార్గెట్లో ఇప్పుడు dou E total by dou out H1 is equal to dou E Y1 by dou out H1 plus dou E Y2 by dou out H1. So dou E Y1 by dou out H1 0.055403 and dou E Y2 by dou out H1 is 0.19068. So totally dou E by dou out H1. Dou E by dou out H1 is equal to dou E Y1 by dou out H1 plus dou E Y2 by dou out H2. Dou E Y1 by dou out H1 dou E y1 by dou out h1 is
0.055403.
dou out h1 0.055403 చెప్పమ్మా వాల్యూ 0.0
55403.
403 plus this is dou E y2 by dou out h1 is minus 0.019068. So what is dou E by dou out h1?
0.036335.
0.036. Let me check it out, please. Hmm. 0.0
36335.
yeah 0.036335. This is the first term, dou E by dou out h1. What is the next term? What is the next term? This is dou E total by dou out h1. Dou E total. Dou E total by dou out h1 మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? dou out h1 by dou net h1. This is very simple, right? Dou out h1 by dou net h1 is sigmoid. Dou out h1 by dou net h1 is the derivative of sigmoid function. This is equal to out h1 into 1 minus out h1. What is out h1 value? 0.59312 into 1 minus 0.59312. Tell me. Yes? Emma.
0.24132.
Point?
0.24132, sir.
Yeah. 0.2413, let us say 33. That is adjusted. Next, what is the third term? What is the third term? Dou net h1 by dou w1. Dou net h1 by dou w1. What is net h1? What is net h1? w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus b1. That is net h1. And when you derive with respect to w1, this is constant, this is constant, this is constant. Dou w1 by dou w1 is 1. So that is equal to x1, that is equal to 0.05. So dou E total by dou W1, this is nothing but delta W1 is equal to we written it as function, because del E total is a function of dou out H1, and dou out H1 was function of dou net H1, and dou net H1 is a function of dou W1. This is equal to dou E total by dou out H1 is 0.036335. Zero 0.36335 into 0.036, 0.36, 0.036, sorry. Zero point 0.03635 into dou out H1 by dou net H1 is 0.24133 into dou net H1 by dou W1 is X1 0.05. What is the value? Please tell me. ఉన్నారా పిల్లలు?
Yes, sir. 4.38436 to the power minus 4, sir.
Okay. 0.10 to the power of minus 4 కాబట్టి 3 zeros.
438.
This is W1, delta W1. So W1 new is equal to W1 minus learning rate into delta W1. W1 was 0.15 minus learning rate we have taken assumed as 0.5 into delta W1 is 0.00438862. What is the value?
0.1497.
0.14978. Almost all 15 only, but very minute reduction. మీరు చూస్తే W1, W2 నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నానమ్మా, మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను, నాకు 1 o'clock క్లాస్ అయిపోతుంది. W1, W2, W5, W6 are decreasing. W7, W8, W3, W4 are increasing. Why? Why? Out Y1 ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి? ఒకసారి చెప్తారా? అవుట్ Y1 ఎంత వచ్చింది పిల్లలు? అవుట్ Y1 వాల్యూ ఎంత?
0.751315.
0.751315.
What is out Y2?
0.772797.
0.772797. యాక్చువల్గా రావాల్సింది 0.9, కానీ 0.77 వచ్చింది. అంటే దీనికి కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసేటువంటి వెయిట్స్ పెరగాలి. y2 కు కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసే వెయిట్స్ ఏంటి? W7, W8 అండ్ W8. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి దీనికి కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసే వెయిట్స్ W3 అండ్ W4. సో ఈ పెరగాలి. అండ్ ఇది యాక్చువల్గా 0.01 ఉండాలి, కానీ 0.75 వచ్చింది, అంటే ఇది తగ్గాలి. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద వెయిట్స్ కాంట్రిబ్యూటింగ్ టు ఇట్? W5, W6, W1, W2 సారీ. సో అవి తగ్గాలి. సో ఇఫ్ యు సీ W1 ఈజ్ రెడ్యూసింగ్ వెరీ స్మాల్, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ వన్ ఇటరేషన్. ఇట్లాంటి ఇటరేషన్లు దేర్ విల్ బి థౌజండ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇటరేషన్స్. Then the weight will reduce and error will come to 0. So this is how we calculated W1 new as 0.14978. So I will, what about W2? ఉన్నారా? బతికే ఉన్నారా పిల్లలు? అన్ని బౌన్సర్లు అవుతున్నాయా? త్రీజ, ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? అశ్విని క్లియర్? అంటే మీరు ఫాలో కావాలి. మీరు చేస్తుంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను అందరికీ మీకు క్లియర్ అని నేను అనుకోవట్లా, ఎందుకంటే దెర్ విల్ బి లాట్ ఆఫ్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాము ఏంటి అనేది. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్. ఫస్ట్ నుంచి మీరు ప్రాబ్లం చేసుకుంటూ వస్తే ఇట్ విల్ బి క్లియర్. ఇప్పుడు మధ్యలో ఈరోజు వచ్చిన గణేష్కి లేకపోతే రాజేష్ కంటే కొంచెం కష్టమే. ఇదంతా బౌన్సర్ లాగానే ఉంటుంది. నాకు తెలిసి ఫోన్ పక్కన పెట్టి కూర్చొని ఉంటారు వాళ్ళు. సార్ ఏదో చేస్తున్నాళ్ళే చేసుకొని పాపం అని చెప్పి. అమ్మా వింటున్నావు నాన్న, కానీ ఎక్కాలి కదా. ఇప్పుడు నిన్నటి క్లాస్ వినకపోతే ఇది ఎక్కదు కదా నాన్న. ఓకే వినండి, మంచిది, వినటం మంచిదే. నేను తర్వాత PDF పెడతాను, మొత్తం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
W2. How to adjust W2? Delta W2 is equal to dou E total by dou W2. And according to the chain rule, dou E total by dou W2 can be expressed as dou E total by dou out H1, dou out H1 by dou net H1 and dou net H1 by dou W2. If you see, we have already calculated dou E total by dou out H1 0.036335. So this is not very complicated. This value we know 0.036335, and dou out H1 by dou net H1 is also we have already calculated 0.24133. మిగిలింది ఏంటంటే dou net H1 by dou W2 into dou net H1 by dou W2. What is net H1 formula? What is net H1 formula?
W1 x1 plus W2 x2 plus B1.
Yeah, net H1. is equal to dou W2 of W1 x1 plus W2 x2 plus B1. When you derive with respect to W2, this is constant, this is constant. Dou W2 by dou W2 is equal to 1, and the remaining thing is x2. And what is x2? What is x2?
Point
Ma? Point
1.
0.1 కాదు కదా నాన్న x2 yeah x2 0.1 sorry wait x2 0.1. So delta W2, which is just written here, ఇక్కడ మనం ఏదైతే ఫార్ములా రాసామో దాని ప్రకారం dou E total by dou out H1 is 0.036335 into 0.24133 into dou net H1 by dou W2 is x2, that is equal to 0.1. Yes. What is the value? ఇక్కడ నుంచి నేను క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయలేదు, మీరే చెప్పాలి నాకు.
0.0008736
Point 0
000 87 687.
What is W2 new? W2 new is equal to W2 minus learning rate into delta W2. Learning rate into delta W2. And W2 is, what is W2 amma? Point
1 sir.
Point W2 1 కాదు నాన్న, x2 1 0.1
0.2 sir.
0.2
0.15.
W1 0.15 అనుకుంటాను, W2
0.2 sir.
0.2 sir.
W2 0.2 W2 0.2. So W2 0.2 minus learning rate 0.5, that is our assumption, into delta W2, that is equal to 0.000087687. So what is W2 new?
Zero point 19956.
0.1995.
995.
No.
So it is very close to W2, but this is only, remember, this is only first iteration. This type of iterations, there will be thousands of iterations would be there. This is only one iteration. Now, let us close this problem today. Do not drag it so on. Next, W3. I want to calculate delta W3. What is W3? Dou E total by dou W3. What is the chain rule? W3 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? H2 కి వస్తుంది. W3 is related to H2. So H2 నుంచి H2 is calculate, H2 gives rise to Y2. So dou out dou E, dou total E by dou out Y2. Dou out Y2 is a function of dou out H2. Dou out H2 is a function of dou net H2. Dou net H2 is a function of W3 and W4 of course. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం రాస్తాము అంటే dou E total by dou W3 is equal to dou E total by first dou out H2, of course H2 అనేది మళ్ళీ Y2 నుంచి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి, ఇంటూ dou out H2 is calculated from dou net H2 and dou net H2 is calculated from dou W3. So let us calculate dou E total by dou out H2. So dou by dou out H2 of E total is equal to dou by dou out H2 into చెప్పండి EY1 plus EY2. So this is dou E total by dou out H2 is equal to dou EY1 by dou out H2 plus dou EY2 by dou out H2. ఇక్కడ మనం కొంచెం వర్కౌట్ చేయాలి ఈ రెండు టర్మ్స్ కోసం, ఎందుకంటే మనం ఇంతకుముందు చేయలేదు. సో dou EY1 by dou out H2 how do we calculate? మనం మన క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాము అంతకుముందు. dou EY1 is calculated from dou EY1 by dou out Y1 into this dou out Y1 is calculated from dou net Y1 and this dou net Y1 is calculated from dou out H2. This is the chain rule. EY1 is error. EY1 is error. It comes from here. This is calculated from out y1. Out y1 is calculated from net y1. Net y1 is calculated from out h2. So that is what we expressed here. EY1 is calculated from out y1 is calculated from net y1 is calculated from h2. So let us calculate what is dou EY1 by dou out y1. What is dou EY1 by dou out y1? What is EY1? Amma? What is EY1? What is the error formula? Of
Target y1 minus out y1 whole square.
y1 or target y1 minus out y1 whole square. Again the same formula, x square derivative is 2x. So 2 into half into y1 is, what is y1? Okay, Radham Lendi. Out y1 into y1 is a constant minus dou out y1 by dou out y1, that is equal to 1. And 2 gets cancelled, is equal to, what is y1? 0.01. And out, what is out y1? What is out y1?
0.75.
0.7.
0.751315.
0.751315 into minus 1. This is one term, this is another term. So tell me the value, please.
Point 741315.
0.741315. Good. Next, what is the term I have to calculate? Dou out y1 by dou net y1. Dou out y1 by dou net y1. Dou out y1 by dou net y1. This is sigmoid function because out y1 is equal to sigmoid of net y1. Sigmoid of net y1. So the derivative of sigma is sigma into 1 minus sigma. 1 minus sigma. So out y1 into out y1 into 1 minus out y1. I think we already calculated this one somewhere, but even if it's not, you can calculate it. What is out y1? 0.751375 1315 into 1 minus 0.751315. Tell me.
Point 186841.
0.186841.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. What is the third term? Dou net y1 by dou out h2. Dou net y1 by dou out h2. Dou by dou out h2 into what is net y1? What is net y1?
W5 out H1 plus W6 out H2 plus B2.
Net y1 or net y2 nadi? Yeah, net y1 is W5 out H1 plus W6 out H2 plus B2. When you derive with respect to out H2, this is constant, this is constant. Ikkada dou out H2 by dou out H2 is plus 1. The remaining thing is W6. What is W6? 0.45.
45.
So now what is dou EY1 by dou out H2? Dou EY1 by dou out H2. This is equal to dou EY1 by dou out Y1 into dou out Y1 by dou net Y1 into dou net Y1 by dou out H2. So dou EY1 by dou out Y1 is 0.741315. అంతే కదా? Into dou out Y1 by dou net Y1 0.186841, 0.186841 into dou net Y1 by dou out H2 is W6, that is equal to 0.45. Tell me the value, please.
0.062328, sir.
0.0
6232861.
This is dou EY1 by dou out H2. Now we have to calculate dou EY1. Now you have to calculate dou EY2 by dou out H2. Dou EY2 dou EY2 by dou out H2. This can be calculated from the chain rule. Again, dou EY2 is a function of dou out Y2. Dou out Y2 is a function of, చెప్పండి, పిల్లలు, dou net y2 and dou net y2 is a function of dou out h2. ఫస్ట్ థర్డ్ టర్మ్ తీసుకుంటే what is net y2? హలో, పిల్లలు, what is net y2?
W7 out H1 plus W8 out H2 plus B2.
Dou by dou out h2 of net y2 is dou by dou out h2 of net y2 is W7 out h1 plus W8 out h2 plus B2. When you are differentiating with respect to out h2, this is constant, B2 is constant. ఇక్కడ మిగిలింది dou out h2 by dou out h2 is 1, that is equal to W8. What is W8? 0.55 కదా?
Yes, sir.
So 0.55. Third term వచ్చింది. What is the second term? Dou out y1 by dou net y2. Dou out y2 by dou net y2. That is again sigmoid function derivative. Dou out y2 by dou net y2. Because this is sigmoid, sigma into 1 minus sigma. I think already we have calculated somewhere. మీ దగ్గర ఏమైనా ఉందా వాల్యూ అది? Dou out y2 లేకపోతే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. Dou out y2 by dou net y2.
0.175581, sir.
0.17
5581.
0.175581.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the first term? Dou y2 by dou y2. Dou out y2. Dou y2 by dou out y2. That means dou by dou out y2. What is ey2? Of
Y2 minus
target y2 or y2 minus out y2 whole square. Again, x square derivative is 2x and 2 gets cancelled, 2.5 gets cancelled. So dou by dou out of y2, 2 into y2 into minus out y2 into ఇక్కడ మైనస్ సింబల్ ఉంది, y2 డెరివేటివ్ 0, 0 minus out y2, dou out y2 by dou out y2 is 1. So this is equal to 2 by 2 is 1, y2 is 0.99 and out y2 is point something ఉంది కదా, 7 something. What is y2?
0.772797.
772797.
2797.
772797. What is the value? Into minus 1. చెప్పండి. Minus
minus 0.217203.
minus 0.217203. This is d dou e y2 by dou out y2. So మనం dou e total by dou out h2 is equal to dou e y1 by dou out h2 plus dou e y1 by dou e y2 by dou out h2. So dou e y1 by dou out h2 is 0.06232861. Dou e y2 by dou out h2 is equal to minus 0.217203. So here dou e total by dou out y2 is equal to dou e1 by dou out y2 plus dou e y2, dou e y1, dou e y2 by dou out y2. And dou e y1 by dou out y2 is dou e y1 by dou out y2. ఎక్కడ తప్పైందా? ఎక్కడున్నా మనం W3 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో dou e total by dou out h2 is equal to dou e y1 by dou out h2 plus dou e y2 by dou out h2. dou e y1 by dou out h2 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం మనం ఇక్కడ. dou e y1 by dou out h2 ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది. This is equal to dou e y1 by dou out h1 h2. Next to dou e y2 by dou out h2 is equal to, sorry, this is not the thing. What we want to calculate is dou e y2 by dou out h2. So dou e y2 by dou out y2 మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాము. dou out y2 by dou net y2 ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది. అండ్ dou net y2 by dou out h2 ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది. So let us calculate dou e y2 by dou out h2. Dou e y2 by dou out h2 is equal to, ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? dou e y2 by dou out y2 into dou out y2 by dou net y2 into dou net y2 by dou out h2. So this is equal to W6 వచ్చింది మనకి. So minus 0.217203 into dou out y2 by dou net y2 0.175581, 0.175581 into dou net y2 by dou out h2 is W8.55. What is the value, please? What is the value? Dou E y2 by dou out h2.
minus 0.02097.
0.02
097.
This is dou E y2 by dou out h2. మనకు కావాల్సింది dou E total by dou out h2 is equal to dou E1 by dou out h2 plus dou E2 by dou out h2. This is equal to dou E1 by dou out h2, dou EY1, dou EY1 by dou out h2, dou E1 by dou out h2 is equal to 0.0632861. ఇక్కడ y1 అనుకోండి, y1 y2 0. చెప్పండి అమ్మా, అది వాల్యూ అంతా 63.0623281, 0.0623281 plus dou EY2 by dou out h2 is minus 0.02097. So what is the value here?
0.041345.
0.041315.
45.
Okay. This is the first term in calculation of dou E by dou W3 into dou out H2 by dou net H2. Dou out H2 by dou net H2. Dou out, this is simple calculation again, dou net H2. So what is that? Sigma into 1 minus sigma out H2 into 1 minus out H2. What is out H2? Amma? What is out H2? 0.5970. 5970 into 1 minus 0.5970. What is the value? Value, please. పిల్లలు yes
0.24059.
0.24
0591.
0591. Okay. What is the third term? dou net H2 by dou W3. Dou net H2 by dou W3. And what is dou net H2? Dou net H2 is equal to W3. Cheppandi.
W3 x1 plus
W2
W4
W4 X2
x2
plus
plus
B1.
B1.
So if you differentiate with respect to W1, this is constant, this is constant. Dou W3 by dou W3 is equal to 1, that is equal to X1. What is X1? 0.15. So delta W3 is equal to dou E total by dou W3 is equal to
X1 0.5 sir, 0.05 sir.
sorry Amma, and W1 W.05. Good, thank you. So delta dou E total by dou W3, that is equal to dou E total by dou out H2, dou out H2 into by dou net H2 into dou net H2 by dou W3. So we got the values. Dou E total by dou out H2 is 0.041, 0.041345, and dou out H2 by dou net H2 is 0.240591. Then into dou net H2 by dou W3 is X1 0.05. Tell me the value, please.
0.0004973.
0.0004973.
4973.
W3 new is equal to W3 minus learning rate into delta W3. That is equal to W3 antama
0.25 sir.
0.25 minus 0.05 into
0.5 sir.
sorry, 5, 0.5. 0.5 into 0.0004973. How much?
249751.
24975114. Homework for you is calculate W4 new, which will be the value I will give. You calculate at home. 0.299502299. ఇది మీరు సొంతంగా చేస్తే you got almost all the back propagation. You have understood the back propagation. So what we are doing is we are taking the error and we are coming back and we are adjusting the weights. ఇప్పుడు ఈ న్యూ weights తో మళ్ళీ మనం we'll go to the forward pass. మళ్ళీ ఎర్రర్ కనుక్కుంటాం, మళ్ళీ we'll come back, we'll adjust the weights, again we'll go forward. So this will happen thousands of times. So I think all of you are hungry, even I am also hungry. My writing is deteriorating. this is what we have to learn.